Hey, thank you so much for volunteering to be a beta tester for Soundly on iOS or Android. I am so freaking excited to get this app into your capable hands, but you're probably wondering, what does a beta tester actually do? So basically, all we need you to do is use the app, have fun, upload your music, try out all the different features, and let us know through the form that you received in the email or in the link down below this description, the Jotform one, what we can do to improve Soundly for you. Whether you don't like a certain design choice or if something is confusing and you don't understand it, every single little detail matters to us so that we can understand how we can improve the app and make sure it is bug-free for when we launch on both platforms. So to download Soundly, all you need to do is click that test flight link that is in the description of this video and maybe even in the email that you received. I haven't really decided yet, but you need to be on your phone. Click that link and you should have a download application link. So when you do that, you'll have access to the app and you'll be the first users of Soundly. The app has been completely wiped. There are no songs. You guys will be the pilgrims, the pioneers that get to upload your music first before everyone else on a platform that will be used by millions. So have fun, write down all of your thoughts because we will be reading every single one of them. And once again, thank you so much for beta testing Soundly.